Hello internet, I am Ethan and this here is my lazy boy armchair for my cat. So I tweeted it at the awesome YouTubers Evan and Katelyn. Imagine if you mixed all the best Etsy shops together, sprinkled in some Pinterest, a whole load of DIY and squished it all together until it explodes into sunshine and happiness. That is basically the Evan and Katelyn YouTube channel. You should all go and subscribe, binge all of their videos, they are worth it. Anyway, they replied back to my tweet with this incredible gif of a cat in an armchair. Very much, if I fits, I sits. Here are some of my favourite ones of those. So I'm thinking, that's freaking awesome. I should make one for my cat. Plus, that is exactly what the internet was made for, doing funny things with cats. So I made one. Here it is. Comes fully equipped with the cat toy dangler, the Game Boy for cats, the cat snack holder, no cucumbers allowed, and with the luxury soft blankets, cause cats are divas and nothing short of the finest cashmere will do. Now, I've got the mystery of trying to find my cat. So I found him. This is Nimbus, say hello. Named after the clouds, not the broomstick, cause apparently Penelope isn't an appropriate name for a boy cat. And the best part is, remote control, port rest. So not only is this perfect for cats, it's actually fantastic for our good friend, the armless bearded baby too. Though, what's the point of having an armchair if you don't actually have any arms? You can find out what happened to his arms in my previous videos. Now to sit back and watch my cat's favourite TV show, Planet Earth. If you like my lazy boy cat armchair, you can subscribe for more videos. Some may contain more cats. Also, go subscribe to Evan and Katelyn. They also heavily feature their cat. Links everywhere. No, Nimbus, you cannot go to the jungle. You're not a wild cat.